Round of India and global news in 1 minute. Good morning, welcome to Sikshyabarta, the global news and education express New Delhi. Australia gambling and debt left Mic Whitty assamed and homeless, kindness and a war diary where his path out. Australia broken Hillman starts 1,132 kilometers run to Newcastle fundraising for Angelman syndrome. America injured spinal cords repaired with a breakthrough 3D printed scaffolding. Team Regrows nerves in years. Japanese kickers learned football by watching YouTube videos and just become hero for his Ohio college team. The Sikshyabarta, the government news and global education express New Delhi wants the education reporter, education leader, advertisement reporter, advertisement agency in global level in all countries and from all states to apply. Contact the number scroll in our screen. Director and editor Mr. Hemant Kumar, Sikshyabarta, the government news and education express New Delhi.